everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can reset your PayPal account's password when you've forgotten your password during the login process. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and type in the URL www.paypal.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of PayPal. Go and click on the login button at the upper right and enter your email or your mobile number in the first text field. After you're done, in case you remember your password, you can type it in the text box and log into your account. But if you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset, click on Forgot Password link right below. Confirm the email address that you use for your PayPal. If it is not correct, go ahead and correct it first and click on Next. PayPal will perform a quick security check. Tap on Next and you'll receive a text message into the registered mobile number for your PayPal. Type in the code that has been received on your phone number and click Continue. Now, on the next page, you'll get to create a new password. Type in the password that you'd like to reset to and confirm the new password one more time by typing it again in the next box. You can also click this box out here and the devices that are signed into your PayPal account will be logged out as well. And they will require the new password in order to log in. If you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked and click on Save. And with this, you have successfully reset your PayPal account's password quick and easy. Now, while logging into your account, type in the new password that you just changed to and click Login. That is how you can easily reset your password for your PayPal account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.